Welcome everyone to a new sword tutorial. Today we will learn broadsword. Now let's take a closer look. This is called the broadsword. Now this is not a real. I made it in my local shop. This sword is mainly used to perform rough use. Now hand posture. Now look at my hand posture. One finger bent and the other fingers will be straight. This posture is mainly used for the broadsword. And you see, this is completely different. And now, the tutorial. Today we will learn sword thrust. First, take your sword finger on your chest. Steady your position and now aim with your hand and strike in that direction. Your sword hand will help you to improve your target. This is very important if you are a beginner. Practice several times very slowly because this sword is a little heavy sword and it mainly used by the foot soldiers. If you do not have any target points or target dummy or wooden dummy, then practice will help you to improve your target practice. Now, how to attack? Now, I told you this sword is mainly used by the foot soldiers. So, the attack of the swords will be a very heavy. So when you are done, then practice with force. Remember, engage your wrist to generate torque for the additional force. So this is it. Thanks for watching.